Hello, music enthusiasts. Today, we'll be diving into Ableton's powerful Wavetable synthesizer and exploring the 6 different unison modes it offers. These modes can help you create a wide range of soundscapes, from stereo widening and phasing to chorus effects and beyond. Let's take a closer look. First up, we have Classic Mode. This is your standard unison behavior where all voices are detuned and spread across the stereo field. This mode is perfect for creating a richer and thicker sound. Next up is noise mode. In this mode, each voice is modulated by a random noise source, adding a subtle noisiness and texture to the sound. Now, let's explore phase sync mode. In this mode, the phase of each voice is synchronized, resulting in a more focused and uniform sound. This is ideal for scenarios where you want to maintain phase coherence between different voices. Up next is position spread mode. Here, the wavetable position of each voice is spread, creating a more diverse and evolving sound. This mode is excellent for crafting interesting and complex timbres. Moving on, we have shimmer mode. Each voice is modulated by a different rate, sine LFO, creating a shimmering and sparkling effect. This mode adds a sense of motion and movement to your sound. Finally, we have random note mode. In this mode, each voice is randomly assigned a different note, producing a chaotic and unpredictable effect. This mode is perfect for creating experimental and unconventional sounds. So there you have it, a brief overview of the 6 unique unison modes available in Ableton's Wavetable synthesizer. Experimenting with these modes can help you unlock new sound design possibilities and bring your music to life. Thanks for joining us today, and happy music making.